1976 Dodge B200 Tradesman extended van. This van has affectionately become known as the Shaggin wagon here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Why? No, not what you're thinking. Inside it has that 70s shag carpet, wall to wall, floor to ceiling. We'll check that out in just a little bit. First of all, underneath the hood, 360 V8 power. It's paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Technicians did note AC and op. Let's take a look at the chrome bumper, headlight surrounds, bright work up front. I believe this color would have been considered bright tan metallic back in '76. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see the interior engine bay, what you can see of the engine bay. Underside, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. And if you click on that, that's going to take you right to our website. We can see all the still pics. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Polished slotted wheels, radial tires. Of course, bucket seats up front. Gotta have a CB radio in a 70s van, right? And there you can see it. That shag carpeting. Let's take a peek in here. All right, now you'll be able to see the still pictures probably a lot better because we got in it, took pictures. But it does have the table in the rear, and that can also be lowered and turned into sleeping area. The seats here are just set in there the way they are. You can see the pedestals are there. Seat belts have taken out, so this has just become opened up. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures. Skylight also in the rear. Be a fun van for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Maybe even do a little traveling with it. A little bit of nostalgia. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, curtains in all the windows. A little privacy if you need it. Chrome in the rear bumper, trailer hitch if you want to pull any sort of trailer. Those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is a prime example of what I say in every video. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Right off our showroom floor, if you can make it to see us in person, of course, right online too if you can't. See, paint has a nice shine to it. Is it perfect? No, but shows well. Running boards, step guards, I guess, if you want to call them that. A little protection from rock chips and a place to step. And yes, of course, that shag carpeting continuing all the way through to the front. You can see, not full of corrosion, rotted away on the bottom. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures. See the underside? Let's go ahead and fire this up. Now, I can tell you the odometer reads 58,970, believed to be original miles. Unfortunately, once the vehicle becomes a certain age, I can't confirm that because it does not stay on the title. The title gets marked exempt. Aftermarket Pioneer stereo added. Blower fan works. Wipers also do work. A couple little dash ornaments. A lot of room back there. Slip around to the back seat here at run. I'll pop the hood, show you what we can see underneath the hood. Obviously, pretty shallow hood to it. Pretty much sounds as you would expect. Again, 360 V8 automatic transmission. Let me go ahead and pause this a second. I'm going to pop this hood, take a little peek underneath there, and we'll wrap up this walk around part of the video. But stick around, Jason's going to take this one for a drive too. All right, hood pop. You'll be able to see the equipment identification in with the still pictures. AC has been converted, I can tell you that much. 134A from the R12. And you can see power brake. Master cylinder and booster. There's a battery disconnect here for in between drives or while it's in storage. That's kind of what you can see. '76 Dodge B200 Tradesman extended van, affectionately known as the Shaggin Wagon. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1976 Dodge Tradesman van, well carpeted out on the inside, looking about as 1976 as you can. It is quite a throwback. There's some bench seating in the back, a table in the back, curtains on the windows. This is a party cruiser or a camper, whatever you'd like to make of it. A fun van. Even some decor on the dash for you. There's a Pioneer stereo in the dash. That does power up. I'm not picking up FM with it, but everything else is likely to work. Our temperature is showing about 160 on the gauge. The fuel gauge is showing a quarter of a tank. Oil pressure is just under 40. The alternator is charging above halfway, and the speedometer appears to be working as it should. This is an automatic on the column. As a lot of camper fans have, we have extra lighting on the ceiling. We have cup holders added. This is a movable piece. If you do not need that, you can easily remove it. Our turn signals work. There's a CB mounted to the ceiling as well. The wipers are working and the blower motor is blowing as it should. Good condition. See a nick or two in the windshield. Brakes are working as they should. We have Pioneer speakers added to the doors. Very nice looking condition bucket seats in this van. Corners as you'd expect for a 70s van, but it does corner nicely. Power steering working as it should. Lots of fun. Take the whole family, go to a concert, anything you might want to do with a large group of people in a fun van, you can do with this van. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this van at uniqueclassiccars.com. By the way, the cruise control is working.